Okay, so we were out here last night. I don't know if I'll enter a clip of that, but just kind of moving some stuff around here. But that there is a drift up to my knackers. You can't see it because everything's white, but Proxy was playing on it yesterday. Huge drifts up at the front, and funny thing is, I thought it stopped snowing. Yeah, it's about 2 feet of snow right there behind there. That poor little camera there, all covered in snow. Same with the other ones. So, not that bad. So the idea now, like, yeah, that's a good 6-8 inches in certain areas, and then nothing. So if you notice, the Jeep has very little snow around it. That snow fence did a great job. My truck, yeah, it's pretty good. So a little bit of snow in front of it, but to be honest, I'd probably drive out fine. So the idea is to use the snowblower just to start. Fuck it, I'll use the plow first. I was going to use the snowblower first, but that's over a foot right here. Yes, I'm wearing my Hydro onesie. So it's a little chilly out here. Ooh, got a bit of snow. Oh, right inside the diesel engine. Damn, I hope that doesn't get wrecked. Big drift right in front here. Ooh, that's about 1.5 feet of snow on that drift. But I don't have Logan here yet. He's going to be here soon. Just at his girlfriend's friend's house. So I'll have to try to get this guy going. I might as well start it right in here and smoke the shit out of myself. Okay. She's all frosty. It's a cold one, that's for sure. Okay, check my fuel level. It's probably not even off the gauge. Nope, and I did plowing last time like that, so check my throttle. Right there should be fine. Never started on full bore. When this starts, I'll just go stand out there for a while. I'm not pushing it myself through that. I could use the starter motor to pull it through, but it was pretty cold, so I'm going to sell like atomized diesel fuel, that's for sure. Good thing atomized diesel fuel is not explosive. Oops, a little bit of a backfire. Look at the black spot. Got a couple of those already. I should have really took the intake heater and warmed that propane torch and warmed it up, but you got the fuel return line there. Just about going. Oh yes, keep that blowing. Get out some of this smoke. There we go, almost going. Not quite yet. Sounds like it's going, but it's not. If I let go of this, it's going to stall. Now, I think I probably could. Nope. There we go. Nope. Look at that. The starter motor's still covered in frost. Not even hot yet. There we go. Now she's caught. You go open this up. Some of that smoke out of there. There's a little smoky in there, that's for sure. Okay, I'll let that warm up for a bit, and then I'm just going to play around here before, once Logan gets here, he'll probably do some video recording for me. Ooh, the wind might keep it open. Maybe I can throw it over the top. Whew, yeah, there's a fair bit of snow here. Right at the top of the tires. On the front anyway. Got my warm gloves to put on. But I just plowed that with the blade down right now. Or up, I mean. Probably a lot of smoke still in here. Oh, hell yeah. That was an eye burner, that's for sure. So, again, I'm not going to film any of this here. Just because I don't have anyone to hold the camera. Battery is only good for so long. And get him to do the driveway and the trail. Well, I'll see how fun this is going to be. Get back to you guys in a bit. And sure enough, Logan gets here when all the work's already done. I think it pushes still pretty high. But just did all this here. It actually surprisingly has no issue whatsoever going through snow. Hey, don't make a mess. Come on, I just pushed that up there. Well, driveway's next. That's going to be the fun one. Bigger drifts than here. Okay, now time for the fun part. Doesn't look that bad, but there's a pretty decent drift over there, especially over there. So, especially the Logan, clean up on the driveway. Yeah. So we'll see how it's going to go on here, and then I'll try to do the trail after. And it's still snowing. Okay, just topped off the fuel. I used actually more fuel doing all of this than I normally would have plowing the whole yard, but of course we just got a foot of snow in spots. Okay, Logan, here you go. Remember, try to get in front of me. Just give me a second. I gotta put on my gloves and everything.
I'm still gonna record this.
Yeah, that's fine.
How much gas do you think this will use? How much diesel?
Oh, it depends. If I'm going to be full bore on the throttle, it's going to use a lot more than just idling around. But I, kind of want to make it a good show. We'll see. Yeah. We'll go half throttle.
That's the second drift.
I know. Give us some more speed, man.
Yeah. Third gear couldn't even push it all the way. Really push through. That's what people want to see. I gotta record him. Too deep.
best day of the year to play with the tractor, and Logan's going inside. He's cold, whatever. So it's doing pretty good. Kind of got stuck a little bit there, but it was easy enough to get out. It's the rear blade hooks, because this side is lower too, so because it's angled, but not too big of a deal. Okay, well, I guess I'll put this away for a while. He might come back out, who knows. Okay, so just been pushing it up into a hill there and playing around. Just went and checked. Logan's not coming back out, so I guess he's not going to be out here. So I guess I'll continue finishing here, but yeah, not too big of a deal. I got to run to the store soon. Road's probably shitty, but got to get that done. So I just stopped her there. She'd been sitting about half an hour. A little bit of fresh snow everywhere. She's in neutral. Yep. Should start up perfectly fine. Not too bad. Okay, I gotta get back to work. Well, she's put away. She's done. I used all together, I'm going to say probably about half a tank of fuel. So that's the most fuel I have ever used plowing. But again, she was getting revved up pretty good. So of course I never did under my truck yet. So that's not too big of a deal. But other than that, the front's done. And it's pretty good. It was a rush job, of course, but it's meant to get more snow soon. So there we go, all the way up to the end. Okay, well, that's the end of this. Maybe next weekend I'll do the trail, but I'm just going to wait a bit on that. Not too worried about it. Might use a snowblower on that yet. No clue yet. Because snowblower has to run at least. It can't just go without running. Okay, that's the end of this. Well, the roads were plowed out here, but of course we're still getting some snow. But I guess that's it for this video this weekend. Did nothing whatsoever other than plowing snow and being lazy. It's a pretty good hill.
Well, that's not true. We celebrated Liliana's birthday too.
That's true, I guess.
And built a computer.
Yeah, that's true. Lots and lots of snowmobiles out right now. With the last snow we got, lots of trails everywhere. Okay, well, I guess that's going to be the end of this video, and who knows, next weekend we'll probably be doing the same thing, clearing snow. Well, let's do a minus 30 cold start bonus. See what happens. Woo, she's a cold one. She's a cold one. Let go of the clutch. She stayed running. Good. Spread some snow over my pants. Bonus. Yeah, I think I'm going to need to let her run for a while. Okay, now for the fun part. Minus 30 weather, and then tomorrow's meant to be I think like minus 12 Celsius I'm talking, so everything's so frosty and cold. Look at the vines on that, hey? Still gotta do the dog run. It's still full of snow, but we had snow all the way up to here. It's crazy. Fun. Okay, so just on my way to work, and thank God main roads here have been plowed, so that's good. I did not want to have to fight through snow, even though this truck's actually pretty decent in snow, but it's a pretty foggy morning, so this hill sometimes is horrible, so I'm just slowing down a little bit for it. So not too bad, but man, the snowmobile trails are amazing right now. So many tracks from sleds. Kind of makes me wish I still had a snowmobile, but at the same time, when it's minus 30 outside, I'm not interested in doing that. So, but yeah, it's nice and foggy outside, and I don't know. I was planning on getting a snowmobile this year, but the guy ended up backing out of the idea of trading, so I was going to trade something for it. But you know, when it comes to the snowmobile, I kind of like high reliability, so that's something I might go something a little bit newer of a model. Hard to say because cell service kind of sucks out here. It breaks down. Yeah, it could be a pretty long walk back. Well, that's it for this weekend video. I know, again, not much going on right now. Kind of sucks that we never got the firewood I've been waiting for delivered, so that's 2 weeks now. But I mean, with this weather, you can't expect much. Especially if a guy has to take wood out of a pile, split it, load it up on his truck. hand bombing on his truck. It's not a dump bed, so yeah. Well, next weekend, not too sure what's going to happen. We'll see. I know I haven't been posting many videos, but that's because not much has been going on right now. Okay, see ya.